Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by creating a new Android Studio project and selecting an empty activity. Pick Kotlin if you want concise code. Once created, open Activity Main. XML and add a WebView element with match parent for width and height and assign an ID like WebView. Next, make sure you add internet permission to Android Manifest. XML so pages can load. Without it, your app will show a blank page. Finally, sync the project so resources and permissions are applied before you write code. You now initialize the WebView in main activity by binding it with FindView by ID and configuring settings. Enable JavaScript deliberately because many sites require it. Once done, set a WebView client to keep navigation inside the app and should override URL loading to intercept links. Also wire up WebView, Web Chrome client when you need progress or dialogues. Make sure to implement on back pressed. If WebView can go back, call WebView, go back, else call super, on back pressed, so back navigation behaves like a browser. You finish by polishing the user experience. Add a progress bar, show a friendly error page when loading fails, and handle SSL errors with user-facing explanations rather than silent acceptance. Once done, optimize WebView settings like cache mode and mixed content mode for your use case and enable safe browsing where supported. Make sure to test across devices and Android versions. If pages fail to load, check internet permission, the URL scheme, and whether JavaScript or mixed content is.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.